Greetings, comrades. This is I'm giving Caleb with yet another unboxing video. You know, when you see the sharp as hell Sheffield knife on the table and the table itself, you know I'm about to unbox something. And yeah, if you saw my previous video from yesterday, I did order a GuliKit KK3 Max, and I'm definitely gonna unbox that here. But before I do, this isn't really an unboxing for this because I already opened it and it's charging right now, and I did test it before this video. But yeah, it is amazing, and I've been wanting to get one of these for a while. Now, I have a few JBL Bluetooth speakers. In fact, I still have my old Flip 4, which still uses micro USB. But I've been wanting to get one of these for a while. The JBL Pulse 5. And yeah, tested it. It sounds really good. And of course, the light show, that's kind of one of the reasons you get one of these, the light show. Really nice and customizable through the JBL Portable app. Not cheap though, $200. But it sounds good. The light shows a nice addition. Really good. At least I didn't get one of those charge speakers or that big boombox speaker, which is like twice the price of this. This is a nice little desktop speaker, you know, listen to like music and stuff. The phone and whatnot. And yeah, I already opened it and not unboxing this, but this is this nice little flap. It opens up and there's a little thing here. You open it up and the speaker's in there, wrapped in like some sort of cloth or something, which is good because that's the outside material. It attracts fingerprints like nobody's business. And now for the real reason you clicked on this video. Here it is, the GuliKit KK3 Max, the King Kong 3 Max or King Kong Pro, whatever it is. That's what I got here. Now, I've heard some good things about this controller, also heard a few mixed things about the controller, mainly with the switches not being mechanical and like small amounts of input lag, but for me, it's kind of minute. I definitely try this out, put it in its paces though. But before I do, here's the Zen Pro that I've been using for the last few days. Really solid controller, especially for the price I got. It was like $60, and yeah, you notice I'm doing a different angle this time around, but yeah, really like this controller. The joysticks are smooth. Buttons. Some people complain about the face button sticking, at least on the King Kong 2, which the Zen Pro is practically a rebrand of the King Kong 2. But I've had no problems with buttons sticking or being unresponsive or anything like that. It works. And you know, it's sort of a case-by-case thing when it comes to like unresponsiveness and stuff. But really solid controller. If you don't plan on getting this, at least get the Zen Pro a try. If you don't like it either, then hey, at least you tried it out. That's what matters. But anyway, here's the GuliKit KK3 Max. Got the Chinese lettering there, which yeah, naturally Chinese. But yeah, move here. Sorry, my back pocket was catching my chair. But yeah, brand GuliKit KK3 Max controller. Part number NS39. USB-C. Transmission distance 10 meters. Frequency range 2.402 GHz to 2.480 GHz. 4-button switch, PCX input, Android and iOS. So no D input, which is interesting. Input 5 volts, input current 500 milliamps, cell capacity 950 milliamps. And wireless controller, USB data cable, hyperlink adapter. Yeah, this comes with a wireless adapter. So if you don't plan on using Bluetooth, you can use a separate adapter. And it'll connect just fine. And I like how the actually, oh, here it is. Okay, so before we continue, here's the Zen Pro box. Notice how it's all in English and stuff. Shows up here, and not so much. But yeah, this does have a lot more features compared to the turn it this way, isn't it? But yeah, it has a lot more features compared to the Zen Pro. But yeah, I'm gonna try to read this upside down because I'm holding it like this. But yeah, GuliKit patented maglev vibration motor, 3 vibration modes and 2 vibration strengths. So trying to emulate the HD Rumble, I guess. Not sure how that's gonna work though. New patented electromagnetic sticks, highly accurate and long life. High precision at level 2200. with a more delicate joystick microcontrol. Support stick sensitivity adjustment. No worries about wrong crosshair aiming. 1000 Hz polling rate on wired and wireless connections. Lightning fast response and super low delay. And supported by PC exclusive 1000 Hz hyperlink adapter. Its wireless connection is 8 times faster than Bluetooth. Let's see about that. And special steering on stick. Special steel ring on stick. Smooth feeling, just right as you see. Okay, so it's friction rings. Okay. D-pad can be set to 4 directions mode, completely eliminating the issue of D-pad ghosting. Okay. Star ring RGB lights provide clear indication of functional status. Okay, we've got the patented smart trigger technology. Allows to easily switch triggers between digital micro switch trigger and Hall effect analog trigger to meet different feel preferences. Okay, I'm reading this upside down, by the way, so you know that's why I'm kind of slowing it. Hall sensing ZRZL buttons, highly accurate, contactless, long life, and perfect hand feeling. Okay. 4 detachable rear paddles allow for various control feels, free combinations, and remapping according to personal preference. Special ABG key, learn your operations 1 key setup for unique skill, game, currency acquisition, and more playing ways. Maximum record time 10 minutes. Share function of autopilot recording, easy to export and import of autopilot recording, so it's just like the Zen Pro. That special motion sense aiming technology support all games, best for FPS games. So that's gyroscopic controls. Support semi-auto and auto continuous shooting, always 1 step ahead in gaming. So turbo mode. 1 controller for multi-platforms. Built-in acceleration sensor, 6-axis gyroscope to support motion sensing on Switch. Almost no power consumption for standby. Okay, it's apparently the same as the other thing. And it does have Amiibo support, so that's good. Perfect ergonomic grip feel, easy, long time gaming. Again, it's a Chinese product, so naturally you're gonna expect some English, you know. So let's open this bad boy up. I guess the box is kind of simplistic compared to the Zen Pro. We have that presentation though, whereas the Zen Pro, you know, it has this little flap. You can see the controller itself. Here, not so much. Just your typical sleeve box. Just come on, don't be shy. My viewers want to see your beauty, all 2 of them. And here we go. Okay, so we have a little microfiber cloth. We have comes with Run Snail. Enjoy happy game time with Run Snail. So it comes with little thumbstick caps. Okay, interesting. Okay, an accessory box. Okay. Oh yeah, this you can also swap off the face button so it resembles the Xbox layout. But I'm sticking with the Switch layout because I'm permanently going to use it for the Switch. And here are the back paddles, as well as 2 little extra nubs. Kind of like with the DualSense Edge, it has 2 paddles and 2 of these little nub things, which are pretty much the same thing. And of course, the controller itself in a protective case. It's really nice. And I see some... it has a little diagram of what you can do with the settings button. So reset, ABXY, so that's how you switch from Switch to Xbox, I guess. I'll show you how to set the RGB, the vibration, the D-pad thing. Okay. Really nice. Nice protective case. And if we take it out, we have the controller itself. And boy, does this look nice. It's really smooth too. I see something else and I'll get that in a minute. But here's the controller itself that, yeah, it's pretty much just like the Zen Pro. Actually, let me bring the Zen Pro up just to feel the triggers. Yeah, these feel a little more They have a definitive press. We put them right here. Yeah, they definitely feel, these feel a little softer. These bumpers have a little more of a click to them. These feel like a standard button press. But everything looks the same. Got the regular face buttons here. And I somehow turned on the controller. I did not mean to turn on the controller. But it powers off just the same as this. Yeah, just like the Zen Pro. Yeah, it has the connection button here. So you switch PC, Android, and the adapter. Yeah, so instead of D input, it uses the that hyperlink adapter, which we'll get to in a minute. And there's a connection button for the, you know, actually connecting the controller. But yeah, side by side, and I know it's upside down from here, but you can tell just right here. Yeah, can you see? Yeah, my shell's kind of away, but yeah, the appearance look identical. Until you look at the back side, well, you see it's identical, but you see the rings are a little different. But they both have friction rings, so it's good. When you get to the back, though, that's where things change. So we have the plain Zen Pro back here. But here, we have these slots for the back paddles, as well as these, they're not triggers, I guess they're trigger stops. Yeah, they're trigger stops. So, got the short travel, and then full travel. So yeah, they didn't take as much over as those Hex gaming controllers I have. Okay, there's that. And naturally, got out the cable. Type C, of course. Some plastic things for holding the controller. A GuliKit sticker. Looks nice. And got the something that's stuck on here. GuliKit. Enjoy gaming easier, as opposed to enjoying it harder. Here just shows you the features of the controller. KK3 Max, got the electromagnetic sticks, long life mechanical buttons, and somehow I turn on both controllers just by pressing the face buttons. At least you get to see the RGB lights though. Okay, I did not mean to turn on this controller. There we go. It's over there for now. We got the oh, it shows the other products too. Detachable back mount power bank, 10,000 mAh for Switch, 5,000 for the Switch Lite. We got a universal controller charging dock. Pretty interesting. Joy-Con charging dock. We got Elves Pro controller. That's a weird looking controller. Looks like some 8-bit deal would make. A dock for the Switch. Pretty minimalistic, but a 701 docking station, which looks like a Super Nintendo. Interesting. Hall joysticks for Joy-Con. Part of me wants to get one of these just to see if they actually work. Though I'm not sure if it requires any soldering or not, because I don't have a soldering iron, and even if I do, I don't know how to solder. But I guess that's why I look on YouTube for that, I guess. That shows the other products. A King Kong 2 controller. Let's see. Breathing light data cable. Okay. Kickstand for Switch. Wireless controller adapter, Route Air Pro Bluetooth audio USB transceiver, okay. Glass screen protectors, switch stand, protective case, okay. Just showing off the other products. And the usual stuff, the gamepad tester reminder, which I definitely plan on doing. And another instruction manual. You know the usual gubbins, don't eat it, you know. Don't put it on the roof, don't put it in the oven for 6 hours, all that stuff. But, yeah, go back to the case. There's that hyperlink adapter. And this, apparently, is a button cap puller. This is basically what you use to take these buttons out and replace them with the Xbox style buttons. But again, I'm leaving them in the Switch layout because I prefer that. Because, again, I'm mainly using this for the Switch. But again, you can use it on the PC because it has this little connection switch to connect to different platforms. And I'm not sure how this hyperlink adapter is going to work. Though, if it has Bluetooth already, it's something I'm going to use. But, you know, it's nice to have the option. And I'll admit this protective case is pretty nice too, even though it kind of reminds me of those little Game Boy Advance game cases. You'll remember those. And it used to be like a dime a dozen back in the day. But anyway, let's go ahead and test out these back paddles. If they're anything like, I wonder if they're anything like the Xbox Elite controller where they're magnetic. Oh, it actually has labels on where these things go. Okay, so you can't put them in the wrong spot. Oh, this whole thing comes out. Okay. Well, I'm not sure why I want to take that out. I'm curious how these feel like. So, G1 and G3. Okay, and it has little labels here to tell what goes where. G1, G2, G3, G4. Let's see. I'm not sure if it can. Well, I can just read the instructions. It should tell you how to remap them. Okay, this is. Why did I take these both out at the same time? Okay, let's go. Well, I think this is G3, isn't it? I wasn't paying attention. They snap in? Well, let's go with the paddles real quick. Okay, so this is G1. I should have paid attention to what I'm going to put in. Yeah, they go in. Just gives us an instruction here how to put those in. Let's see if I do the same thing. Yeah, it's literally the same thing for the Zen Pro 2. There's a few extra settings here, but I think I got the proper way of installing those back paddles, but yeah, the option's there, so I can figure out how to actually put them in. Okay, so this is G1 because of the way I guess they snap in. Turn on the controller again. Okay, I'm at a fall retard moment, but yeah, it does have back paddles and you figure out how to put them in properly. But anyway, that is the GuliKit KK3 Max controller. Definitely put this to its paces once I figure out to get these paddles in. But anyway, this is Caleb signing out. You have a good day.
Suck it up, life's tough, we know that. Someone's got better stuff and can throw cash. Tell them I don't give a fuck, make my own path. I don't need no handouts, I'm my own man. Gotta get it, I'll get it in fast, yeah. Got a girl and she'll get it, she bad, yeah. Man, I only get down with the best, I'ma leave the complaints with the rest,